Out of all the planets in our solar system, Mars is often seen as the best place for humans to live one day other than Earth. But here's the big question. Can people actually survive there? Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and one of Earth's closest neighbors. When Mars and Earth are closest to each other, they are about 55 million kilometers, or 34 million miles apart. That may sound close in space terms, but it's still an incredibly long journey for humans. Mars is much smaller than Earth. In fact, it has only about 11% of Earth's mass. Its famous red-orange color comes from iron oxide, basically rust covering its surface. There is no stable liquid water on the surface today. Gravity on Mars is also much weaker, only about 38% of Earth's gravity. This low gravity could cause serious health problems over time, like muscle loss and weaker bones. Mars is also covered in craters, deep valleys, and wide, empty plains. It is home to Olympus Mons, the tallest volcano and tallest mountain in the entire solar system. So if humans want to live on Mars one day, what would need to change? First, gravity. Low gravity could harm the human body over long periods. Some ideas suggest increasing the planet's mass to make gravity stronger, but with today's technology, that's simply not possible. Second, the atmosphere. Mars's air is too thin and too cold to support life. Scientists have suggested thickening the atmosphere by releasing trapped gases or adding gases like nitrogen. A thicker atmosphere could warm the planet, block harmful radiation, and possibly melt ice beneath the surface to create liquid water. Third, oxygen. Since the atmosphere is mostly carbon dioxide, one idea is to introduce tiny organisms or plants that can turn carbon dioxide into oxygen through photosynthesis. Over a very long time, possibly hundreds or even thousands of years, this could slowly change the air. During this process, only a small number of humans would likely live on Mars at first. They would build shelters, run experiments, and slowly prepare the planet for more people. At the beginning, most visitors would probably stay only for work missions, not permanent life. As more humans arrive and technology improves, small ecosystems might begin to form. Over time, Mars could slowly become more Earth-like, but this would take an enormous amount of effort, money, and scientific progress. Turning Mars into a second home for humanity will not be easy. It may take centuries or even longer. If you enjoyed this video and want to explore more big space questions, make sure to like, subscribe, and join us for the next journey into the universe.